Dr. Tarrio has played a leading role in bringing this event to Santiago and guiding a successful week of scientific exchange, collaboration, and international cooperation with GNSS and geodesy community. On behalf of all participants, we would like to express our sincere gratitude for his dedication, leadership, and commitment to the success of this workshop. Please join me to welcome Dr. José Tarrio, Chair of the IGS Workshop 2026, who will share a brief summary of the week and deliver the closing remark of the workshop. Dr. Tarrio, the floor.
Dear colleagues, we are now reaching the end of the IGS Workshop 2026 here in Santiago de Chile. I will be brief, but I would like to close by reflecting on what this week has meant for us. A little statistics. The participation speaks for itself. Almost 200 registered participants, 184 attending in person, 34 online, and representing 31 countries. This is a strong result, not only in the numbers, but also on its international presence across Americas, Europe, Asia, Oceania, across the world. It is also a message to the Sirgas region in all of things related to the GNSS geodesy. The numbers speaks. Related to the abstract, scientifically, the workshop has also been very solid. We received 138 abstracts for 29 countries, organized around the 5 scientific themes. The strongest topic was from orbits to the reference frame. In this region, the reference frame are very important, with 46 contributions, followed by atmospheric, space weather application, GNSS infrastructure, real-time service, and social applications. Before closing, remember the request related to United Nations policy brief. Each oral presentation should include one slide. On each poster should include one A4 size section explaining how our IGS activities support the global geodesy supply chain. Please upload your final material by the end of the workshop. Also, I would like to our sponsors. Trimble and Geocon supported our main sponsor. I would like to give to them. Colleagues from Trimble and Geocon, come with me again. Also, I would like to invite to our colleagues from Leica, Corner, and Topografía CRF, or in Spanish, Topografía CRF. Colleagues from Leica. Our colleagues from Kölner. And our last sponsor, Constellation Topografía CRF, or in Spanish, Topografía CRF, Claudio. We have also a award diploma to our colleagues from Sana Satellite Navigation. There are something from China, colleagues from China. The last sponsorship in orbit is for our center, for our university. Catalina, please. Our last sponsor are from Ampere, Carla. And finally, for our colleagues in Esri. Mauricio, is here. It was our first IGS workshop in South America. And despite the electricity, I think we have been up to the task. Here we are like this. We are Latinos. We do things with heart, but also with a love of professionalism. And we are very proud of it. This was not an individual effort, required coordination, time, patience, and commitment for many people. Finally, I want to thank very sincerely the colleagues who worked with me in the organization and development of this workshop. My colleagues, Marcelo, come here. Victor, Docmac, where is Victor? Gustavo, and of course to all chairs, co-chairs, Mara, Figueroa, Camille, Mara, come on. Our two students, Francisco and Felipe, come on. And finally, I can't forget to my colleagues from e-Congress, come on, and RLA. To all of you who helped make it possible, thank you very much, and we wish you a safe trip back home. This was our team, the best team on the world. Finally, I would like to thank to everyone, because in Chile the things are different. We have less people, but we have the best people for this. Thank you.